Here's part 2 of the Hyatt Place Hotel vlog. It's so peaceful and quiet because the mother and brother hasn't showed up yet. They're the loudest people in the family. I put this on 72 because it's good enough for me. I was on like 66, I think, when I came in here. There's an old train over there, look. It's a nice sunny day. It's a few minutes after 2 o'clock. Zoom in on the clock tower. Well, my clock says, my phone says 2:03. Last time I looked at it. It's really peaceful. Wonder if this place was built in '06. The TV's from September '06. And that is from December '06. It says on the inside on the tag. It's a nice room. I like it. Okay, it's coffee time. Here we have English breakfast. Decaf, so that's garbage. No, I drink decaf all the time. Sometimes. We have tea, Earl Grey. Probably my least favorite. Sugar, sucre. Sugar substitute. Poor man's creamer. Oh, that's all we got. Okay, I don't think we have any coffee creamer in here. That's stupid. Why didn't I think of that? Well, we'll try it. Light is burned out. So, that sucks. Uneven. Kind of annoying. Just enjoying the silence before the traveling circus appears. You'll be sad when they're gone. Well, they're fine now. Put down 69 by accident. Not really accident, but it's cold enough. Hopefully we will be going to Bronco's Sports Bar. Sports! Some weirdo at the hotel recording my car. It's another older truck. Not that old. I don't consider it old. Love this view. That's nice. See what's on TV. Need to charge my phone. Anyway, I'll do that later. Let's get in bed. Take my shoes off. See what's on TV. See if there's anything worth watching that I want to watch. That's why I edit my videos. Because of crap like that. Okay. Kind of like the shutter opening. Makes kind of a... This looks like it has burn-in when it shows on that screen. It shows those two UI elements. That one actually is burned in a tiniest bit. Yes, Blue Bloods is on all day. Haven't watched it in a while. And yeah, the black levels are awful. Look. Camera's exaggerating it, making it look more gray than it looks black. Good colors though. The audio's pretty good.
Oh, come on, Pop. We had this discussion years ago when I first transferred him out to Staten Island, expressly because the population of Staten Island is 75% white. Well, you never put it quite that way. So he put in for a transfer the next day.
Nice menu.
Remember him?
It didn't happen overnight. I thought
Had a
about it
refresh
for
rate
weeks.
line thing. That's kind of weird.
Corrected yourself. Kim didn't, so I did it.
Oops.
$99.99.
See, it's kind of rough.
Price right now to
Speaker's messed up.
$399.99.
Back to the terrible black labels.
Okay, but if you force these officers to shoot you, you won't have the opportunity to.
Anyway, be back later. This piece of shit laptop's fans go to 100% as soon as you turn it on. Piece of crap. Anyway, I'm liking the sound of the TV. Looks good too. Let's go back to the MTV channel. Maybe the audio's working. So, for TV, the speakers are amazing. But how about music? Sounds kind of mid-range heavy. So you can see that. I saw the Ion logo. It's got some kind of ghosting. See if that one works. Wait, what? BET. Wait, what? No, there it is.
I'm going because I want to see my face on the big.
I want to see me. See the Ion logo? I can see it. Why does it always go back to one? It's stupid and annoying. Let's put it on MTV, CMT for maximum torture. Just kidding, let's not do that. Audio only. Yeah, you can't hear it. That's stupid. MTV 2. Whoops. Pressing the volume button, insert channel. Okay. King of Queens is on CMT. That's interesting. 480. I could tell. It looks awful. It's pretty bad. I did not know the King of Queens was on CMT. That's interesting. Let's go back to Ion. Let's press go to guide for that. It's supposed to be editing editing the rest of the video and exporting it. Whoops. Press guide. This thing's so slow. (3:51 p.m.)
Don't change or stop medicines, including steroids, unless told by your doctor. Report if you have a parasitic infection.
Got cold in here, so I put it on 77. At home, we usually have it on 78.
Like symptoms, joint pain or sore throat may occur.
And I don't know what my mom and brother are getting.
Ask your doctor about twice yearly extension.
Thanks for meeting with us.
Have a seat.
This is Nikki's mother, Erin Reagan.
At the Manhattan DA's office. Mark is the bureau chief.
It's not focusing too well. We are at an angle, though, so,
This can't be easy.
you know.
Sitting on the other side of the desk.
You might say that.
What I was hoping is you give us a little time before you move to indict on the charges.
Because your client's last name is Reagan? And as a Reagan, you don't have to play by the same rules as everyone else?
You don't have any evidence the drugs are Nikki's.
Mr. Smith.
Yeah, you need to snitch on the person who owns them.
Because you assume you can work the system.
Another complaint about the stupid-ass laptop is that it disconnect the earphones for no reason. So I have to select speaker, earphone, headphones, or whatever the hell the other things in the dialog box say. So that's stupid. This is not my daily driver. Let's do this for high-performance video editing. I think it's time to break out the hot fries. Let's open them up right now.
Octavio knows.
Which is why the
You know that other building just happened to explode when the owner
You good?
sell low to Octavio?
Time is 2:39. Here's the rear inputs. I just noticed them. We have whatever swirly icon and SamLaw. Typical. Swirly icon. Are those Suscon? With the swirly logo. I forget. Is that Suscon or is that something else? There's those in SamLaw. When I turn the TV that way, it the signal kind of dropped out, pixelated.
Did you know you can
Too bad there's not a component on the side, but you know, it's better to have your inputs on the back.
Target serves fast for soothing and numbing
There's one of
pain
the
relief. Try
cards
Asthma
with the
Cream,
heat sink
the
on
number
it.
one pharmacist recommended topical anesthetic.
Wonderful.
In the U.S., there's a break-in every 26 seconds. Simply Safe does more than just alert.
Not
We
like every
stop
6
crime
seconds.
before it
No, I'm just
starts.
kidding.
Stop.
Get the reference though.
Police are on the way.
No long-term contract.
Anyway, gotta charge my phone more. I don't know if we're going out to eat or not. Hopefully.
Concerned about your heart?
But probably not, because shit happens.
Can your smartwatch do that?
Look at this stupid thing. Yeah, right. Wish it was September. It might be a little cooler. It's kind of funny. Ion was on when we were first testing out the camcorder. I zoomed in. I'm like, whoa. It zooms in like all the way. You see the phosphors and everything.
It's on Ion. Find on your channel guide or favorite streaming service. Your cheeseburger
And over the
deserves a
air
nice
in
big
720p.
Sargento family
This is probably
cheese.
720p as well.
70 years of our family commitment.
Commercial. You could show those.
Natural cheese in every bite. You have our word on it. You have our name on it. Sargento. of
Closed
course,
caption,
you can taste.
sleep.
Managing
I'm just not gonna mess with
you
it.
second guessing. But what if you could carry on with fewer attacks?
My asthma, I never had asthma attacks. I did a lot when I was a kid.
It's an add-on treatment
Not
that can
anymore.
help deliver protection from asthma attacks with just 2 doses a year. Extenture isn't for sudden breathing problems. When asthma gives you pause, keep things
Gives you
going.
pause.
Extenture targets inflammation that can cause asthma attacks and is proven to reduce. One dose every 6
This is
months.
boring, but hey, at least we're having air conditioning.
Serious
I like
allergic
at home.
reactions can occur. Get help right away for swelling of face, mouth, tongue, or trouble breathing. Don't change or stop.
So other rooms have LG TVs as well, but they're are not. I guess they're just standard LED.
Common cold, sinus infection,
Who the hell's the?
inflammation
There
in
it
the
is. And we went out of this, left this hotel, went to the La Quinta. They had Philips OLED TVs, I think. And their system sucks. The show's too quiet. The commercials are too fucking loud. So I don't know what that's all about. That was annoying. Plus the quality sucked because there's coax. This is a little better, honestly. My mom and brother went to get dinner. We're getting McDonald's and tacos for me. Let's put this on some ridiculously cold. It's basically on what it was when I got here. Check this out. Love that fade out there. Took my contacts out. My little brother's gonna go get my glasses, hopefully. I'll use contacts the next day when we're gone. You can see the viewfinder perfectly. It's only 2.5 inches away, or 3 inches away from my face. Hopefully when it gets dark, this camera will focus on everything. I fell asleep. My brother's supposed to knock on the door, but I didn't hear anyone. Not yet. I don't even know what time it is. $8:40. My mom and arrogant bipolar brother left after a ridiculous freaking conversation. Wish I was recording it for the entertainment value. I was listening off and on. It's weird as shit you ever hear. It's the weirdest shit you would ever hear. More people showed up last night. Before my brother got here, or around the time he got here. See some high pressure sodium lights. I don't know what that is. Green one. I don't even know if breakfast is open yet. Or starting, rather. Not open, starting. They sure did make a mess of this place. I was confined to this area. And the bed. And we're about to head out. Then I'll upload part 1. And upload part 2 around 4 or 5. Well, I have to start editing it first. There's the snacks. Not as hot. At least not yet. No, it's kind of warm now. Nice crappy gray sky. Anyway, we're out of here.
In there, because I didn't put them in there.
Going
They're mine,
home.
He's not yours, Bubba. Okay, Bubba.
He's such a
Ready to
pain in
go?
the fucking ass. It's actually cool in here, so I'm gonna upload part 1 and start working on part 2. Nice. First time using a plasma TV in a hotel room. First time using a plasma TV at all. Got a little bit of the package. Nice.